everybody, it's Miss Michelle again. I am here to talk to my book beans, which is grades kindergarten through second grade, and my rogue readers, which is grades 3 through grade 6. Today I'm going to go through Bean Stack with you again, but this time we're focusing on our activity badges. So part of your challenge is going to be doing your activities, which in the old summer reading programs basically equate to your programs and your worksheets and your trivia questions. So I'm going to show you on the Beanstack website how to do that, okay? So I've already logged in, so when you create your Beanstack account, you can bookmark the link, or you can just go in through our website again and make sure you sign in to your account so you can see your reading page for your reading challenge. So I have already done that, and we're on our friend Mickey Cat's page, and he is a book bean. So if you notice up here at the top, we have our different tabs. So we're going to go to the activity badge tab. So if I click on that, you will see all of your activity badges that you can earn, and there's quite a few of them, because each week there'll be a new story time, a new trivia question, and a new worksheet, and a new activity for you to do that's specifically geared toward your program. Now, rogue readers, you'll have the exact same thing, and I will show you that, but I just want to make sure you know that each reading challenge, each reading group has their own targeted program for each week, and we do 5 weeks of programming, don't forget, so that way you'll have all these opportunities to earn your badges and earn your virtual tickets. So if you notice up here in the badge, you have this little golden ticket. So if you complete that badge, you will have your virtual tickets, and those tickets are going to be for your end of summer prizes, okay? So let me show you how these work. So the first one is participate in the Book Beans story time. So if we click on that, you will see it's not ready to be completed at this time because we haven't started our program yet. But you'll have 2 boxes to check off. The first box says attend the Book Bean story time. So of course, if you want to earn the badge, you have to attend the story time. So you click on that. The next says write the code word given by Mrs. L during class. So book beans, you are going to be going to your class, and during that class, Mrs. L is going to be giving you a code word that shows that you watched the video and you participated in the class. This is where you're going to type in that code word, and that will allow you to check that box and earn your badge. You have to check both boxes in order for the badge to light up and give you your virtual ticket. Rogue readers, this works exactly the same for you, except Miss Kitty is going to be your class teacher, and she's going to give you your code word based on your Rogue Readers Bookshare, okay? So make sure when you watch the videos of your weekly programs, listen for that code word and write it down so you can add it to your Book Bean or your Rogue Reader badge for that week, okay? So I'm going to close out of this one, and we're going to scroll down to find your worksheet badges. If I click on the worksheet badge, it's going to show you again 2 boxes. The first box will tell you how to download the worksheet from the Kids and Family page on our website, and it will have the link there. So you'll notice when we get closer to summer reading, on the Kids and Family page, there'll be an individual button for your reading group, either a book bean or a rogue reader. When you click on those buttons, you will see the weekly worksheet for that week that you can click on and download the PDF so that way you can complete the worksheet at home. The The next thing that you're going to do in the activity badge is just to tell us what the worksheet was about. Was it a maze? Was it a color by number? Was it something that you had to create or make, or some research that you had to do? Maybe you had to look something up. All you have to do is give us a brief description about what that worksheet was about, and then your badge will be able to be completed. You'll be able to check the box.
And it'll say that your activities are complete, and it'll give you credit for that activity. Okay? I'm going to close that out. And then we're going to scroll down a little bit more. You see there's 5 weeks worth, right? Then we have our activities. So each week in the story time, there will be an activity that Mrs. L or Miss Kitty will do with you. When you click on that badge, you will see that there will be a link for the description of the activity. So a little hint for you book beans, the first week is going to be mermaid ice cream. How cool is that? So if you click on that link, it will let you see the recipe and the instructions of what you need to do in order to do the activity.
What we'd like to see you do is to complete the activity and send us a picture so that way we can see that you guys are doing the activities at home. You're going to send that picture to kidsquestion@goshenpubliclibrary.org. So that is the email address that we have set up for summer reading, as well as any other type of questions you guys might have. It's a way to reach us. If we can't always get to the phone, you can reach us through this email and we'll be able to get back to you within 24 hours.
So if you check those boxes off, your craft badge will light up and you will get another ticket, all right? Scrolling on down, we then come to our trivia questions, okay? If we click on that, it will say, write the answer to the trivia question. So it gives us the first week's trivia question for the book beans, and then you have to write the answer down.
If you are also looking for the trivia question, if you're not in Beanstack at the time, but you still want to work on it, you can also go to that Kids and Family page, go to the button that belongs to your reading group, and it will tell you the trivia question for that week as well. But in order to get credit for the badge, remember you have to go back into Beanstack and type in the answer so that way your answer is recorded and it will give you credit for that trivia question for the week, okay? An important thing to note is because it's 5 weeks long, the badges will be available on the Sunday of the week we start. So, week 1, you will only have access to week 1 activities. When we hit week 2, you will have access to week 1's activities and week 2's activities. Because we know some of you might be going on vacation or you might miss a week, so we want you to be able to catch up. But you won't be able to go ahead. You won't be able to get week 3 or 4 in week 2 because we want you to stay on task and pace yourself through the summer, all right? So, once again, you can get access to the previous weeks, but you can't get access to the coming weeks, all right? Each week will be starting on the Sunday of that week, you will have access.
So let me scroll down a little bit more because I want to show you some of the specials. So we have our Page Turner Adventure Program badge. If you click on that, you're going to see all of the different Page Turner weekly programs, and you can enter the code word that's going to be attached to those, okay? Click off of that. You can also come to Jester Jim. Jester Jim is going to be our kickoff program on July 1st, and there's going to be a secret code word for his activity that you have to type in. We also are going to have weekly Dream Stream Monday Imagination Station program. That's going to be a science-based program. And all we're going to ask you to do is tell us what you found interesting about that week. And again, these programs are accessible to both book beans and to Rogue readers. We have our Chillin' with the Villain. That's our drop-in craft night that you guys used to come to here in the library. Instead, we're going to be doing those online, and we're going to be directing you to our Just for Kids, Teens, and YA Pinterest page.
So we created a Pinterest page with all of our craft ideas and all of the things that we're going to be doing this summer, so that you can go and refer there and find all the instructions that you need in order to make the crafts, just in case you miss our videos, okay? So that is going to be the Chillin' with a Villain drop-in craft.
Close that one out. And as we go to the bottom, we also have our Friday Fairy Tale Story Time. So that's going to be there.
So you can also participate in that program. The Book Beans Friday Fairy Tale is going to be at 11 on Fridays, and the Rogue Reader Friday Fairy Tales is going to be at 1 on Fridays. And those are going to be with Miss Michelle, that's me, and we're going to be doing those on a Facebook Live. All right, so those are kind of all the programs and things that we have going on, and the ways that you can earn these activity badges, and you're going to be earning, again, those virtual tickets. We talked a little bit about those virtual tickets. You're going to have those, and you'll be able to enter the ticket drawings. And in the next video that I create, I'm going to go through what those ticket drawings are, and you're going to be able to see what kind of big prizes you can earn at the end of the summer with your tickets, okay? So, I know that was really quick, but what's great about this is when you get access to your Beanstack account, you can go in and kind of take a look at all the activities that are listed there, and if you have any questions, you can contact us, and we'll be able to answer them for you before the program gets started, all right? So I hope you guys are having a good time. I hope you're finishing off that school year strong, and I hope you're enjoying the beautiful sunshine that's out there. And we will talk to you again very soon. Bye.